Hi folks, it's Voss here from the Chris Voss Show.com. Hey, coming to the super cool product from SteelSeries.com. This is the new SteelSeries Arctis 7P. Now, this thing is a wireless gaming headset made for PlayStation, and it's designed for the new PlayStation 5. The new PlayStation 5 has several different audio cool features and advancements on it, and this is designed to work well with that. It is also compatible with PlayStation 4, PC, Android, and Nintendo Switch, so you can use it on several different platforms or consoles. It's got lossless 2.4 gigahertz wireless audio. This is designed for ultra-low latency gaming. It's got Discord certified Clearcast bidirectional microphone. You can hear your stunning detail in all next-gen games with award-winning sound. 24-hour battery life outlasts even your longest gaming sessions, according to their website. And it's fully compatible with PlayStation 5's Tempest 3D audio tech. So there you go. Comes in two colors, a black and then a white color, and it's fairly inexpensive at $149 right now. It definitely looks good, feel good, and it has a Velcro top to it that you can adjust or take off and wash, etc., etc. And works pretty cool. 24-hour battery life for a best-in-class battery that they have in here. You can use it wirelessly everywhere. It's got a little dongle USB-C that comes with it. You can transition between your PlayStation 5, your PS4, your PC, Android phone, if it's got the USB-C in there, and Nintendo Switch. And it looks really nice. It kind of fits what the colors are on the PS5, depending upon what color you get. And it's got a retractable, Discord certified microphone. It's got bidirectional design. It's the same sort of design used by aircraft carrier deck crews for superior noise cancellation, making your voice sound clear and natural. It's got an adjustable ski goggle suspension system. I thought it was pretty cool. Yeah, you can adjust it, you can remove it, or you can just go without the band if you want. It depends on how big your head is, but it adjusts really nicely for that as well. PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, PC, Nintendo Switch, Android, and Google Stadia controller. You're looking at 40 millimeter neon diamium drivers, and over the cup ears. There's kind of a fabric to them, and they fit really nicely over your ears. They don't squish your ears. There's a lot of room in there so that you can take and utilize them. The range in the wireless is 40 feet or 12 meters, and of course, as we mentioned, the battery life is 24 hours. They sound great. They've got a good bass to them, a good mid range, a little bit tinny on the high side for the treble for my taste, but I'm used to running on high quality headphones that are $200 or $300. I think for the $150 range, you're going to be fine with this. Most gamers aren't going to notice that. They're going to just hear great sounds, and of course, there's all sorts of adjustments you can make in games these days. But I think you're going to get good sound out of this for the price range that they're going to be, and I think you'll enjoy them. Definitely check them out. SteelSeries.com, the SteelSeries Arctis 7Ps. I can highly recommend them. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.